Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at what is the proper way to clean glass ceramic cooking surfaces. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. When it comes to keeping your ceramic cooking surface clean, one rule stands out. Clean your cooktop routinely after each use. Dampen the entire surface with warm water. Sprinkle on a small amount of baking soda and cover it with a moist hot towel. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub lightly to remove baking soda and then give it a mist with white vinegar and a cloth. If spills are not removed quickly, they will likely burn into the surface and become more difficult to remove. If you do end up having burned on stains, use a single edge razor blade placed at a 30-degree angle to scrape off any spots and clean the remaining area with a cleaning cream like Wiseman or Afresh for porcelain cooktops. A melamine foam sponge such as the Magic Eraser works great to clean the cooktop glass. Melamine foam is not abrasive but also agitates more embedded substrate surfaces more effectively, and so it does not scratch glass surfaces. If you need to remove scratches from your cooktop, use a scratch remover such as Barkeeper's Wiseman Cooktop Max or Perfect Cooktop Cleaner. These products work very well even on deep scratches. It's very important to use the correct cleaning products. Do not use abrasive cleaners such as cleansing powder or scouring pads. They could scratch the surface permanently. Also, do not use chemical-based cleaning products that can contain chlorine bleach or ammonia, as they will discolor the surface permanently. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.